Subscribe to the Minecraft Tech Tips channel, also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Remember the Poco F1? It was released on August 2018. And now, after 2 whole months, Xiaomi has released the Android Pie based MIUI for this device, which is pretty fast I would say, and in this video we're gonna talk about the Pie based MIUI 10 on Poco F1. Also we're gonna talk about the performance, the battery life, and the most important thing about the bugs, as it is a global beta ROM. Also I'll tell you guys that how you can upgrade your Poco F1 from Oreo to Android Pie in this video. So don't skip any part in this video and watch it till the end. And without any further ado, let's get it started. So first things first, I want to clear you that the ROM I'm using is a global beta ROM, and there is no global stable update yet. So if you're good with the global beta ROM, then you can try this method. And as you can see here, the Android version is 9, which is Android Pie, and the MIUI version is MIUI 10 version 8.11.7 global beta. Talking about the kernel version is 4.9.112. So now let's talk about that how you can upgrade your Poco F1 into Android Pie. So to do that, your bootloader needs to be unlocked, and the latest developer has to be installed in your phone. So as you can see, my device status is unlocked, so that means my bootloader is unlocked. And I have installed the latest developer in my Poco F1. So if you are unable to find the correct developer and the global beta ROM link, then those links will be found in the description below. So once you have unlocked the device and successfully installed developer, now we can proceed to the actual procedure. First, turn off your phone and then press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. It will boot your phone into the developer mode. And here, if you are afraid to flash the beta ROM, then I would recommend you to take a full ROM backup first. After the backup, just download the ROM from the description link, put it in your SD card, and now click on install and look at the ROM file. Yes, you don't have to wipe anything, just flash the ROM by swiping to the right. And that was the flashing procedure. Now let's turn up our device. So now let's talk about the new Android Pie based MIUI 10. After turning off this phone, I don't see any lag or hang issues with this ROM. It's really fluid. Although the Windows animation can make you feel a bit laggy, but that's just animation, not lag. Going to the settings, there is the Wi-Fi which is working perfectly fine. As you can see, I have connected to my Wi-Fi. At the same time, I have turned on the hotspot and it works like a charm. Both the Wi-Fi and the hotspot works at the same time, so there is no problem with the Wi-Fi. Also, I have connected my Bluetooth headphone to the Poco F1, and the Bluetooth is also working fine with this ROM. Talking about the GPS works with no problem at all. It works pretty fine. Moving to the full screen gestures, as you can see, it is also working like a charm. And one thing that the RAM management is pretty good with this ROM. As you can see, I have just turned on my phone and it's already 4GB free out of 6GB. So the RAM management is pretty good with this Pie ROM. Also I did a little bit of multitasking and I did not face any lag or hang issues with this ROM while multitasking. Talking about the camera works pretty fine. Also I have clicked some pictures with it, so there was no problem with it. And the video mode also works pretty fine. And I tested the portrait mode and there was no force stop or anything like that. So you will not face any problem regarding to the camera. Also if you want to use the Google camera instead, then you can do that because the Google camera also works fine in this ROM. And a lot of you guys are from India and they are really concerned about the VoLTE. So for those guys, let's check the VoLTE. And as you can see, the VoLTE also works really fine with this ROM. There is no issue with the call quality. Now moving on to the battery backup. After flashing this ROM, I have charged my phone to 90%, and after using this for 30 to 35 minutes, it only decreased 3%, and you can see the app history here. So the battery backup is really good with this ROM and there is no fast battery draining issue while heavy usage. Now talking about the performance and the heating issue. To check this, I have played PUBG for almost 25 to 30 minutes on this phone on HDR preset. and I did not face any lag or sudden frame drop. It was running as good as it should. You won't face any lag or sudden frame drop while playing PUBG on this ROM. And as it is a graphic intensive game, so it will run the other games too very smoothly. Talking about the temperature was not that high. It was very little while playing PUBG as it should. And there was no heating issues with the Pi Global Beta ROM. And literally speaking guys, I did not face any major bug with the MIUI 10 Pi based ROM yet. Although there may be some minor bugs, but that's not identical. You can use it as your daily driver and enjoy the Pi features on MIUI 10. So that was pretty much of it guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel and share this video with everyone else. And if you have any questions or queries, then you can comment down below and I will be there to help. And I'll see you guys in the next one.